I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. I got one virtual, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I got one lawyer, got one, and that they're the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to Stockholm, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it up. I still got no fumbles, I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle, I'm in the win, a million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. We'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Baby, you're looking fine. I have you open all night like your eye. I take you home, baby, let you keep me company. You give me some of you, I give you some of me. You look good, baby, must taste heavenly. I'm pretty sure that you got your own recipe. So pick it up, yeah, like you. I just can't get enough, I gotta drive through. Cause it's me, you, me, you. All night, have it drunk, wait. Let me get my ticket, baby, let me get it. Get to the way you like it, baby, super size. Hold on, you got yours, let me get it. Been to the turn up with the clothes, I check it.
Take my order, cause your body like a baby. Let me walk into your body till you hear me. I'm the Tastemaker, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for RuiYu Hair. This is, believe it or not, a 4x4 closure unit. Yes, and you guys know me, I am the finesse queen. When it comes to these units, I can make something out of nothing, okay? I really wanted to show you guys how you can really rock a closure unit and get your money's worth. So today I styled this unit in a deep side part just so you guys can see how you can really work a 4x4 closure. It looks as if I have just a regular frontal on. So this is the front area. This is how my edges are looking. I can pull this part back. You can see scalp even down to this part here. I do have some hair going down to like cover up the area, but still I have most of the unit down here. And then the unit ends right around here, over here. But you guys see like this lace melts really good. I did put some concealer in my part, which really helped define the part and just like bring the look together. If you are gonna do this, and make sure you put some concealer on your part. One thing that I do wanna point out about this unit is the fact that the lace was really dark on this unit. So that could possibly mean that they might have dyed this hair, and that could possibly be the reason why the lace is really dark, because it wasn't like a dark brown lace. It looked like the lace was stained in a sense. So I would say if you are to purchase this unit and you are of a lighter skin tone, that may be an issue for you. But if you are of a deeper skin tone or medium skin tone, you can still make this unit work by adding concealer to your part like I did today. So this is a unit all off to the side. I feel like it looks a lot better with all of my hair off to the side and just like have this be nice and sleek. So this is a 26-inch unit. I believe I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see. This is where it's hitting me in the front. So this is all of the hair up front. I believe this is 150% density. I'm not really sure, but it's not a very like full wig because this is more of like a wave. And you guys saw how this unit looks. First of all, hold on. I have to bring it all back. Do you guys remember what this unit looked like when I took it out of the package? It looked like it was curled with like flexi rods or something at the bottom. It was not giving this. It was not giving this. This is like a loose wave. I wouldn't even say this is a deep wave. Definitely a loose wave or like a water wave or something like that. So this is what you get once you actually wash the hair. I do customize all of my units before I review them. So that means that I bleach the knots. I pluck this unit. I did use water on my hair. I didn't use anything with the water. It's only water in here. It's nothing but just plain old water. And then I also just use a little bit of the foaming mousse. If you have like curly hair and you want it to like stay in a certain place, you put foaming mousse. Typically, like if you have straight hair, you would use a hot comb or something like that. But in this case, when you have curly hair like this, you can just use foaming mousse, water, and a comb your hair in the direction you want it in, blow dry it, boom, you're done. But yeah, absolutely love this unit. I love more like wavy type of units, you guys. And even if you did wear this in a middle part, I just think it would look really beautiful as well. It's very flawless. And as you guys can see, you can wear it, many different ways. You don't have to wear your closure unit in a basic middle part. You can definitely switch it up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on today's look. I want to give a big thank you to RuiYu Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. I absolutely love it, and I know you guys will too. So make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all of the hair details. If there's something that I didn't cover in today's video, make sure you drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.